All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. I'm the Struggling Day Trader. Let's go over my trades for today. Um, so CNSP, I was just kind of messing around pre-market. Um, Super small size, not anything worth talking about. Um, yeah. So this was like insignificant, not part of my actual trading day. JD. So JD gap, excuse me. JD gapped up with earnings, and we traded it. So it had a pretty strong open and sold off, came back down to previous day's high. That's this yellow line. And I actually really liked it right in here. But this is just the move that's supposed to get your attention. Let you know something's starting, right? The confirmation is the higher high. Once you get the higher high. Now, once we broke this high right here where this yellow line is, I was hoping for a quick retest. Like I was hoping it would come back down here and I could take it off the EMA. But that would actually have been more risky than what it did because the higher high was high of day, and that's really good. So yeah, this was the first higher high after crossing the EMA way up here, higher low, and then we just hang out here. And I felt reluctant to take it because it's not coming right off the EMA. And on top of that, this was my second trade. Ours already up on MVST. And so, you don't want to mess up your good trade. But I felt like I had to take it, man. It set up and gave me a nice entry. And I took it. We had catalyst. It just made sense. So I took it. I actually could have added right there. That would have been kind of saucy. Man, what was I doing? I think I was really just hunting for my sell signal. That's a trip. Instead of looking to add, I was literally just waiting to see when I needed to hit that sell button. And boy, did I hit it. So cool, man. Let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so I was just, of course, I didn't want to sell this pop because this is just getting through the high of day. And, I don't really have any R's yet. I definitely wasn't taking this setup trying to just get to high of day. This is definitely a continuation and a big move up expected. So I get in there and, whoa, okay. So this is kind of like my gauge for high volume. I just look back and I'm like, okay, we start getting up to this level of volume, I'm gonna start selling. And this level of volume is like get out of the entire position, right? So we got this big volume pop, pretty significant, sold some and let it ride. And then we get another big volume pop, boom, sold some, another one, boom, sold some. And then I think I moved my stop up on the 5 on this. Yeah. When you get the sell signals on the 1 minute chart, that's like take a partial. But the sell signal on the 5, let's get out. It's get out time. So yeah, once I saw that, and I just didn't want to be stubborn today. Just take what I can get. I know that's good. I know it's gonna turn around. It may keep going up, but I can get, I can take my profit out there. I could have took 3/4 out and moved my stop up under this low, and actually would have survived, and I would have just made it pretty much back up to where I already got to. So yeah, man, that was a good decision. Really good sales on JD. I mean, freaking excellent, actually. So cool, man. Then we got MVST. And this is kind of another one where the entry was extended from the EMA, but let me show you my thesis. Let me get rid of this line just to make it a little more clear. So Pharaoh, shout out Pharaoh, man. Pharaoh brought this into the chat and asked me about it. And I mean, clearly it's you know, we got a clear breakout level here. But then if you zoom out, like you got quite a few taps to this level, you know. I guess I'm sitting here in front of it, so you can't really see. Yeah, so you got here, 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 up here on the top side of the level, you know. So this is like a major level. And I feel like it moved up a lot already, considering, you know, the normal range of this type of stock. And I was telling Pharaoh, I was like, bro, this is resistance up here. Like, imagine if it broke out from here, how ridiculous the chart would look. That's literally what I said. And sure enough, it broke out from there and the chart looks ridiculous. Chart looks ridiculous. Yeah, but we took that level. I actually said on the stream, I was like, we would have to break above that level and like hold pretty good. Like I said, it'd have to be at minimum a 5-minute pullback, if not 15. And when I saw the 15 close over that level and then this 5-minute hammer, that was enough for me. I was like, all right, it's holding the level. It held it for 5 minutes and now it's going up again. It's uptrending, bro. Let's go. So I jumped on in there, man. And I held for a good minute, man. I feel like I should have got way more out of this trade. 2.5 R, 2.6 R. Because my entry, bruh, super narrow entry. Less than 10 cents. And let's see, my highest fill looks like somewhere around 330. I guess that makes sense. Then I got these two fills back here. This part right here actually is probably one of the most like groundbreaking parts about today, because y'all know I don't like to sell unless I'm at the very high. It's really hard for me to sell lower than the high. I'm just like, I'll sit and hold and wait for it to go back up there before I sell again, which would have actually worked out, but I don't have this kind of time. I'm not here to be trading all the way till 2 o'clock. But I knew from this pullback, this was a good level to bounce at. You know, this is a good level to pull back to, this previous high and the EMAs right here. So it was definitely a good bounce spot. But this is a pretty significant pullback on high volume, and it's a pretty long leg down. So with this kind of long leg, almost a 100% retracement from this move up, you kind of got to wonder if the trend is switching, and now the long side of the leg is the downside and the short side is the upside. So I was pretty much just waiting to see how far this bounce was going to bounce. And when I saw it slowing down here, I think we got a little volume about right in there. Let's switch back to the 1 real quick. Yeah, so we had a little volume spike right there, went ahead and took some out, and then moving to the downside, yeah, went ahead and got the rest out right there. And you know, just not trying to overstay my welcome, and you know, I'll let it pull back a little bit, but this kind of a straight up move, honestly, I should have taken it all out at the break of this candle, because the volume was ridiculous, and you get that narrow range. It's over. It's over. You know, just like I did on JD. So I missed that. I missed the opportunity to do that on NVST. I'm glad I was able to do it properly on JD. And really, man, today I felt so free today trading without my P&L. I had my P&L hidden throughout my trades, and it just made the management so much easier. And even the chat, you know, they couldn't see, so they couldn't, you know, they still wanted me to sell, but You know, they couldn't put a number on it. But yeah, man, this is the way. Read and react. Don't even worry about the R's. We'll find out the R's after it's over. But we just got to focus on executing and trading the chart, reading the volume, reading the price action, and making good decisions. And it's working out really well right now, man. It's working out really well. And it's the ability. The reason I feel so confident to jump like I jumped is because I've been seeing the winners. I've been seeing me trade. I've been trading these winners for a long time. My problem has always been filtering out the bad trades and sitting on my hands until it's time to take the good trade. I just couldn't do that part. And now that I see that I can do that part, I'm confident in the, I know I'm going to see the setups, so today is just another day of confirmation, man, and felt so good. So good. Killed that JD chart, bro. Oh, man. Yeah, that's pretty cool, man. And these are just base hit days, man, which is cool. I think the month is going to be mostly made of base hit days. So that's cool. That's why I'm like really excited to get up to like 200, 250 risk. Because then a base hit is like a great living. Shoot. I give 2R 500 bucks. I'll be snatching 2R happily. Happily. Um, yeah, man. I feel like there was one other point that I wanted to make. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know, but it's going well, man. I really like trading without my P&L, just trading the chart. I think that's my bag, man. We just got to, the stocks in play too. Having a stock with a catalyst.
WYHG.
I don't know why it took me so long to just commit to that. Like, because sometimes there's no good catalyst and I want to still be able to trade something. That's why. But later for that, man, we trying to do this professionally going forward for a long time. So, got to be professional. Got to be professional. Got to be ready to not trade, sit on hands, all that good stuff. Got to be ready to take profit, even if it's only a little bit. If the chart says sell, sell. So y'all be wanting me to sell before the chart says sell. Y'all want to sell just because it's up. But we can take it a little bit further than that. We can read a little more deeply into the situation and really see when the time to sell is. As you can see, I think I'm displaying that pretty well. Oh yeah, that Nvidia trade yesterday. After I looked at it, I felt like it was kind of like a raggedy trade, like it wasn't really that great. But after I went back and looked at it, I was like, man, this was pretty good. Yeah. Nice buy right here. Sell, sell, sell. Like, and then I think my last sale was right here. We did the thing. 216 bucks, a little over 2R. Yeah, that's cool. On a stock that wasn't even in play. Shame. Shame. But yeah, I really need one of those big crazy days though, just to put some cushion in my account so I can breathe a little bit. Like this is probably like a 40% gain, 30%. What I have this morning, like 12, 31% gain today. Yeah, gotta get my account up so that my percentage risks per day isn't so much. But you know, small account challenge. You gotta go hard in the paint right now. Just protect the account by taking A plus setups only. That's all we can do. We just gotta take A plus setups only, and I think we'll be all right. Bro, is this really it? We still gotta see, man. I'm still it's not real yet. It's not real yet. It's not real till I make the withdrawal, honestly. That's when it's really real. But it's definitely getting exciting, man. Hey, shout out Brian, man. Brian and I don't know if you told me your girlfriend's name yet, but two of my biggest supporters, man. I appreciate you guys so much, man. And yeah, man, I think we got it. Get the job. Anyway, that's all I got. Um, yeah, man. I'll be back tomorrow morning. We'll try to do it again, man. Just gotta be disciplined and wait for the setup. And when the setup comes, gotta take it. That's it. All right, y'all. Be easy. Peace.